everybody, Gagajoy. Well, unfortunately, I wanted to make a big, as my mother said, run of pickles, but my cucumbers are just not going to turn out this year. So I'm stuck with this one or one like this. There's several others. So I'm going to do just one because I promised my girls I would. This is refrigerator pickles and they'll go fast. I put 2 cloves of garlic. I have dill weed down in the bottom. 2 cloves of garlic. A half a teaspoonful of mustard seed. Just a little bit of celery seed. Maybe an eighth of a teaspoonful. And I'm going to go ahead and do some dry dill. I'll just put like a half a teaspoonful. So these pickles are so good. You just put you don't have to have any heat. You don't have to do anything. You just fix them, put them straight in the refrigerator, and actually in 24 hours they're wonderful to eat. And they taste like any good. And they're crispy because the vinegar is not even hot. And it's very odd how everybody changes, how everybody does things differently. Let's see, this is going to be a little bit short. Okay, let's see. Yeah. Okay. I love to make pickles. My mother had, she used to make salt brine pickles. And I always liked because I thought they tasted just like the pickles did in, on Andy Griffith. You know, like Aunt Bee had the pickles that tasted like turpentine. But boy, did people love her salt brine pickles. She made 21-day pickles. She made bread and butter pickles. I couldn't get enough cucumber. And I have beautiful plants. They got so hot here for so long. And even though we watered them twice a day, they just didn't move. So, but good Lord knows what He's doing. So I'm giving thanks for that. I love this kind of jar for bread and butter to put in the refrigerator. See, around here there's a lot of corn this summer. The apple crops did not turn out. They said that apples, they're getting like 30% is what they usually do. So that makes it hard for people who like to or need that income from their apple orchards. Getting very tight, which we want it to do. You can try one. I saw a lady making pickles the other day, and she had these huge pickles. She just cut them up, little round, little long pieces. I don't. I think that's pretty even. Yeah. Okay, the next step is just vinegar, white vinegar. This is actually 2 cup and a half, yeah, cup and a half. And then just fill it up with water. And that is your pickles. How easy could that be? And there's your one little jar of pickles, refrigerator pickles. I'll tell you how they work. I might even in my video in the morning. You see how good they are. Can you believe you can make pickles without boiling the syrup and the cucumbers? Well, we're going to see. We can. Well, that was fun. I wish we were doing a big batch of pickles, but I guess we'll make it this year. So take care of yourself. Remember the joy. There's joy in everything, even though everything doesn't turn out like we want it to. God has a reason behind it all, and I thank Him for everything. See you soon. Bye.